Welcome guys to our daily commentary. I hope you're ready for the new day, for the new opportunities. We talked about Dash yesterday, and yeah, maybe to take a look at the bigger picture. We are attacking, sorry, some problems here. Take a look at the bigger picture. We are attacking this psychological resistance and even previous resistance line at 110. As I told you, the bull trend is still strong, and I expect this line not to pose any serious resistance, I expect a breakout and a future bullish trend. However, we are going to see some selling pressure here, and it's happening right now. So what I would do here basically is take a closer chart. You see, we had a false breakout. This is a very dangerous move to enter in this position. So what I would do here is basically take a look at this trend line that we have. This trend line. I'm gonna use the MACD just to try to spot some support. You see, the MACD is coming closer to a turning point. And we see it happened here. We had a good entry point. It happened here. We had a good long position entry point. It happened here. We had a good entry position point. So I would expect now to happen something similar on these levels. So just try to keep an eye. Don't be too early, right? Don't be too early, because if you break this line on the downside, then we're going to have a correction. But just throughout the day, pay a closer attention here. And if it's going to happen that we are going to form some sort of a bullish pattern in the candles and increasing volume, then like this, you see, that's a clear bullish pattern candle, and increasing volume, then it will be a good position to enter again and to take this profit here until we test again the resistance level of 110. So yeah, that's going to be the major attention point for this day. I would also like to talk about Ethereum, right, on the dollar chart. Again, we have some problems with connection. I don't know what's this about. Ethereum, as we discussed earlier, had a major upside, right? This is a tremendous trend, right? SEC rumors, big institutional money inflow here, and yeah, I told you yesterday we are going to see some resistance and sideways movement here, and this is happening. It's not a big surprise. However, you can still trade. We are starting to get this sideways box, and you can still make some good profitable trades here. Make sure that you spot the support line that is forming around $90. This is a super important line, and maybe a good indicator that you can use here is, let me just, our Bollinger Bands. Maybe if you're not familiar with the Bollinger Bands, we're going to explain it later in some post. But yeah, this might be a good indicator. I don't know why. Yeah, I have some problems. Maybe we won't see them today. Okay, there they are. Bollinger Bands are basically just the double standard deviation from the moving average price, and this is a good indicator if you want to enter on the support levels, right? I've told you we have a strong support level at $90, and you see here we broke down on the Bollinger Bands. You see, broke down, and then we had a bullish pattern candle, a green candle, just right straight back into the Bollinger Band areas, and this is a good bullish pattern here, right? We have also a positive MACD turning point, and yeah, here it would be a good thing to enter on, but on a short term, right? Just to take how much is this? yeah, to take a couple of percentage off and have a short, a narrow stop loss order, because as I told you, this is a major support line, and you do not want to trade below. So this is a good risk reward trade, and yeah, let's see how it will play throughout the day. Maybe we'll get back to you on this evening, just with a quick recap on what happened today, and even maybe take a look at Bitcoin, which of course is continuing after a short retracement. It's continuing its bull run. I'll talk to you in the evening. See you.